Hi guys, it's Cecilia from Silver Heights Neighborhood Association and welcome to Camp in a Box. So today we're going to be doing star tubes. So the materials you'll need is black cardstock and scissors and tape. But if you have old paper toilet roll, you can use that as well. I don't, so I'm just going to show you a different way of doing it. So if you had a paper towel roll, you can zoom through it a little bit, but if you don't, we're going to take our black cardstock, or any dark color will work, and I'm just going to fold it in half so we can create that nice and straight line. So we want to connect all four corners together, just like that, and then smush the other side so we get a crease, a nice straight crease, so we know where to cut, just like that. Make it nice and tight. Then we're gonna open her up and we're gonna cut right along this line where the two sides meet. Just like that. So don't get rid of the other half. We're gonna use both. So we're just gonna roll it up. Just big enough that you can see through it. And now you're gonna take the tape and you're gonna tape the sides. So you might wanna use a few big strands, a few small strands to make it nice and tight. Just like that. Just tape it all the way so it's nice and tight. Just like that. And then you're gonna add some tape inside so it doesn't unroll or get in the way when you look through it. So one on this side. I'm gonna put one on the other side. So one like that. I'm gonna put one on the other side. Just like that. There we go. Perfect. Now bring out that other one. What we're gonna do is you're going to take your tube and you're gonna take a pencil, if you have one, and just draw around it so you know that circle. And then what you're gonna do is take your pencil again and draw a few stars. So I'm just gonna put one at the top, so just like that, as you can see. Then I'm gonna put one at the side. There you go. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it a little bit where those stars are and take my scissors and just cut a hole on like the spine of the fold. So you're not getting your fingers in the way, but it's just enough to go through the paper and make a small hole. Now I'm gonna do the other one. Go, small hole, and there you go. So now we're gonna cut around that circle because we're gonna put this on top of our other little cylinder. So I'm gonna cut big and nice around the circle that we drew in our stars so we have lots of room to tape. Now if you had an old toilet paper roll or paper towel roll, you would take your black cardstock, trace the circle, and then put your stars in there, cut them out, and then cut out a bigger circle around to do what we're doing now. So I'm gonna line up my holes so they're inside where you can see, and just kind of fold this around so I know where I'm taping. Then just take small pieces of tape and tape them down. Tape down one side, then directly across, I'm gonna tape down the other side so it stays. I'm gonna make little creases so it knows that it's gonna bend down. Do the same over here. And then one more on the other side. Now what you're gonna do is you can take it and look at the light, and you can see the little stars you made on the inside. So you want this side, the covered side, to look up at the light, and then you look through this side. Hopefully you guys had lots of fun and you get to make yours. Don't forget to decorate the outside. And if you want, you can Google some constellations you want to put on there, but remember, they got to be really, really tiny.